Did you know that you can Skype an author? Librarians and teachers, say you are conducting a book club or literature circle, and you and your students are reading an awesome book and your group has questions for the author. There are many things you could possibly do, such as write, email, or invite him to your town, but these options can be costly or time-consuming. With Skype, the author can visit you live through your computer, sometimes for free. Let me explain. Skype is an online program on the internet that acts like a phone call with video. This is a wonderful tool to integrate technology into your library or classroom. All you need is a camera with a microphone, a computer with speakers, and a connection to the internet to get going. The camera is relatively easy to install. Plug the camera into a USB outlet on your computer, insert the accompanying software disk, and click on the installation software. Next, proceed to the Skype.com website and click on Download Now. You will then be asked to create an account. It is very similar to creating an email or Facebook account. You create a name and password. There is also a profile option that you may use to include more information about yourself if you choose. Then click on Start Skype. Now just add a friend or author to the contacts portion of your profile. It is best to try this at first with a friend to get the feel of Skype. The rest of the explanation is an example of how Skype will connect you with a friend. Once the friend is there, simply click on the contact you wish to connect to, and Skype will start working to bring you both together. If your friend has a photo, it will appear on your screen. If not, the contacts box may be empty. Mouse over the friend you want to contact. See my red arrow is pointing at the symbol that surfaces when you mouse over. The green circle is an icon that resembles a telephone handset, is the symbol that you click on to call. Your screen will change as the call is being placed. Once the connection is established, a video image will appear of the friend you are visiting with at the time. Say hello and you're on your way. This is your first Skype call. Now that your computer and you are prepared, you are ready to add the author to your contact list. You can contact his publisher or locate his webpage for contact information. Tell him all about your book club or students, and ask if he would spend time with your group to answer some questions about his book through Skype. After you make contact and invite the author to join your group, you will need to set a date and time to coordinate the video call. Next, prepare for your video call. Make sure that everyone will be able to hear and see the author. If your group is large, you may want to use a projector and additional speakers. Then, ensure that the Wi-Fi or internet connection will work that day and that you can access Skype, as some buildings filter some sites. Remember to test all equipment and connections before your scheduled appointment with the author. Prepare your questions to the author ahead of time. Make note cards and assign students a number, and then they will know when it is their turn. This looks professional and makes better use of the author's time. And that is how a librarian or teacher can successfully Skype an author to enhance your group's literary experience and integrate technology into your program. For additional information on authors at Skype, contact Kate Messner from www.katemessner.com. She has a list of authors that will Skype with a book club or class. References: the School Library Journal article, Met Any Good Authors Lately? Published August 2009. Kate Messenger's blog at livejournal.com. Authors Who Skype with Book Clubs. Posted May 28, 2009. All unidentified clip art is from Microsoft Clip Art. Narration is provided by Allison Henline. Submitted by Sheila Henline.